everyone, welcome to the market outlook for the week. Gaurang Shah here from Geojit Financial Services, and uh, positive closing for the markets this Monday. Uh, we got back to the trade. We did see a little bit of choppiness and volatility, but by the time we did end the day, both Sensex and Nifty did close with green ticks. Contribution was definitely there across the board, especially with Nifty Bank. The sense is that after seeing a correction of maybe approximately 15% from the highs to the lows that we saw very recently, my sense is that we should see some stability in the market, and which is the need of the hour. Though there was a lot of choppiness and volatility throughout the day today, we did see volatility in both Sensex and Nifty. This volatility is something that I personally feel should come to a lower level, and we should possibly see stability in the market after seeing the correction that we witnessed. So overall, we could see some kind of pullback into the markets coming through. A lot depends upon what the news flow is on the global front as well as on the local front, but the sell-off that we saw from the FIs, it speaks for itself in terms of the sell side numbers that we're witnessing for the last couple of days. But we did see a domestic institution coming and supporting the market and turning buyers and kind of restraining the lower levels, which otherwise could have been a lot more deeper. So my sense is that we should see stability rather than choppiness. On the rupee front, well, today the currency markets are closed, but we have closed the rupee last week on Friday at 77.44, which is again a lot of weakness in the rupee against the dollar, and there are some reports that the rupee should weaken. INR could see further weakness as against the US dollar. On the crude oil basket, well, we are seeing a little bit lower level after the correction. Brent is below $111 a barrel, and NYMEX is somewhere close to about $110 a barrel. We could see some stability as far as the crude oil prices are concerned. But on the earning front, we have seen positivity, and this week, friends, we have quite a few interesting companies coming out with their fourth quarter numbers last financial year, and the expectation is that they should also fare well rather than seeing any kind of red marks on the earnings front. The most interesting part is the improvement in the banking and finance, and I've been speaking to you all about banking and finance for quite a while now, and the numbers reflect the outlook in terms of earning visibility, especially for this financial year, given the tailwind of positive monsoons. Credit demand from semi-urban and rural India should be much stronger, and of course larger corporates in terms of their capex should also see a healthy credit demand coming back, which will also translate into loan book growth and net interest income and margins going up. And not only the private banks, but public sector banks like State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda delivered strong set of numbers. So outlook overall on the banking sector remains positive, the way we have spoken in the past, and so is the case for non-banking finance companies. I think there are there's a lot of potential for strong companies. So keep your focus over there, and let's hope that we see stability coming into the market rather than seeing choppiness and volatility. Thank you very much for your patience hearing, and I'll see you again next week. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.